Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I am eating pizza, chicken poppers, and this half a pizza baguette. I'm really hungry. I haven't got anything to open this. Oh, 1 second, guys. So I am really excited for this mukbang. I've not done pizza on this channel. When was the last time I did pizza? I think it was, I don't know guys, you know better than me, but I've not done it for a while. Why do I always say that? Well, I haven't. So I have my Diet Coke. What else would I be drinking? I'm going to get right into it. So I have half a, this is a hot dog pizza. And it's stuffed with tomato. It looks so amazing, doesn't it? And then I have half a thin crust pineapple pizza. And then I have chicken poppers. Really nice. I haven't got my tissue. Okay. So, of course, I'm going to get my mayo on deck. I'm just going to get into it because I am starving. So, guys, let's have a first bite. So good. I'm so hungry. Amazing. I need a tissue. So, my hair is so short, guys. I know I made a video about it. What did I do? The hair curling video. I love it, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, guys. I'm gonna wait till New Year and then I'm gonna get some new extensions because I do still have extensions in, but it's too short. Not me. Let's try the ham and pineapple. This is a crispy pizza. So hungry. I do like my hair. All the dead ends have gone. I do have clipping extensions as well if I want to go longer. So I'm okay. But it's just scary. Have a popper. Not really ketchup, have I? I have to go again. Live without my ketchup and mayo, guys. You know this by now. So, I think what's getting me through the hair thing is because it's that it was my decision, but we had no other choice because my hair was so fried. So guys, let's have this cheesy pizza baguette. It looks so good. I love this. Oh yeah. So it's Saturday night and I normally have this with Chris, but you guys come first tonight. So good. Washing machine. Yummy. That always gets me full. I feel full already. So I have a lot of exciting mukbangs to come, guys. You're going to love them. This wasn't going to be a mukbang because me and Chris have like pizza night every Saturday. But I just thought, you know what? I just want to film for you guys. I love this pizza. I'm getting full though. Already. Already. I love pizza. What's your favourite pizza? Are we liking this lipstick? It doesn't come off, does it? These lipsticks are so cool. I'm so happy with them. Made them. Well. Not many people like ham and pineapple, do they? I don't know why, but I like it. What do you have on a Saturday night? Do you have like a designated kind of pizza night, or it's all sorts of noises tonight? Do you do stuff like this? I'm getting full, so look at that, baby. I prefer deep pizza to thin. I'm so hungry. Unbelievable. I think I just had, what did I eat today? A bagel. No. A salad. And a bagel. I'm full now. had a random thought. I wonder when Divine Munches gets back from India. She's been gone about, has it been, I think she said she was going to go for 3 months. I think it's been about 3 months, doesn't it? I wonder what she's going to do when she gets back. So cool. I miss her. I miss her videos. It's done in now, guys. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little mukbang. This is really nothing. I was going to say something. Oh, yeah. Do you know when I was talking about the YouTube thing on my other video? It's all picking up now, guys. Things are getting better. I think YouTube were punishing me for having a holiday, so no need to worry now. Also, I've had a lot of requests of you guys wanting to send me cards for Christmas. If you message me on Instagram, I will send you my address because I don't currently have a PO box because I don't know how it works in England, but it's really complicated. So yeah, message me on Instagram. My Instagram is no, it's not. It's XXF and I'll be happy to help. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Stay tuned for more amazing mukbangs. I have some great ones coming up, so stay tuned. And also, obviously, all sorts of other videos, fashion, you know the deal by now. Thank you so much for supporting me as well, guys. We're ending this year with a bang. I'm hopeful we're going to hit 10k. We're about 200 off, so we're going to do it. Thank you so much for watching my channel, for spending time with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.